Hello candidates, how are you? I hope you're fine. I am fine also. So you are seeing here Guwahati High Court website. If you want check your case status, you can check directly by here. You are seeing here some icons, some main heading in blue line like home, profile, CJ and judges, benches, district court judgments and case list. So if you want check, then you can check. Here my net is slow, so I will reload again. Again the site can't be reached. So I am closing this. If you want check, then you can check by yourself. Or I'm going towards APDCL, Assam Power Distribution Company Limited, apdcl.org. I am selecting by here because of I am about to tell you your result. Regarding your result, you are eagerly waiting for your result. So it's taking few seconds of time. So please wait, and I'm telling you more and more information. So scrolling down, but it's taking few minutes also. Not few minutes, just within few seconds it will open. I already told you that my net is slow, but yes, it have opened now. So we are scrolling down and we will check your result. Maybe there is any good news, we will get some good news regarding your result. So we are checking. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, it's okay. Just in what's new section, we will press this one, or we will check by here only. Here is some notices. TCS, regarding TCS, shutdown notice, employment notice. This is for general manager, HR. Notice for additional surcharge petition. Message for MD APDCL. Surcharge regulation access load. Voluntary load. So candidates, I want to tell you that here is no any notice regarding your office cum field assistant or Shank result. So what have to do right now? I'm talking about your result, so that's why I'm telling you that when will upload your result. If you will talk regarding media, or if you will talk about your court case, about all petition which have submitted by clients or candidates, you can say. So after some time, court will, it means high court, honorable high court will tell you interim decision after some time. What is hearing date, next date? You are aware about it, you should aware about it. What will be interim decision? We are unaware about it. But after some time we will know it, because of when honorable high court will tell you that regarding APDCL field assistant and Shank, about Shank's post, then everything will be clear. But candidates, now you are thinking, you are totally upset. You are thinking that never your result will upload, your result will display on the screen, never your result will show you front of you. And again and again you are searching your result and you are going towards APDCL website. But what are you getting? Nothing. Nothing special. If you want some current update regarding apdcl.org, you should subscribe this channel and don't forget press bell icon, because of, you know very well, bell icon's role is very big. If you will press bell icon, then you will get all notification regarding APDCL. And I hope, I'm not saying this, I'm not single one, I'm not saying this that your result will display, your result will upload in this particular date. But 100% I'm saying, according to media, if you will see in front page of Google, or if you will see in any articles, there is a lot of articles in Google. If you will search in Google also, then you will get some news about APDCL. And behalf of that, I'm telling you that your result will show you after some time. I mean before 31st of October 2020. All symbols are showing this news, and your case will, you will get case detail in next hearing date. And then don't be hopeless, and your result will out. Absolutely it will out. Don't think it that your result will not declare, because of many of candidates are thinking that result will not upload, result will not declare now. So forget it, forget regarding it. And many of candidates are thinking leave it. But I know very well that you are searching in YouTube also regarding your result. And but I'm telling about some few candidates, but many of them are waiting for their result. So I know you are searching in YouTube, you are searching in Google, you are searching in APDCL's website, apdcl.org, and you are searching in a notice section what's new, but nothing is special. So please subscribe this channel, I'll tell you everything. So this is very lengthy video. If you share this video till end, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel again. Thank you.